Hello guys, welcome to this exciting weekly review on the just concluded trading week, basically on the FS triads. Last week, 17th of August, I made analysis on what we had to anticipate for this just concluded trading week, which happened August 18th to 22. It was really indeed exciting because we anticipated a bearish move. You remember that? You can watch the videos for this. We anticipated a bearish move, right? To hit 50 pips, right, which is basically our weekly target. Okay, but if you follow the video carefully, you will observe that we were almost a kind of taking off balance because we were anticipating price to give us an SMT probably Tuesday, Wednesday, or Thursday. But it happened 2 days. Don't forget that these strategies happens on the max twice in a week, right? On the max twice in a week. So, but basically 80% of it you always see the setup playing out once every week, either on EU or GU. But on the maximum, you can have the setup uh, twice in a week. But on average, you have it once in a week. All right. So we're anticipating either Tuesday, Wednesday, or even Thursday. But do you know? I don't know if you took the trades that the setup happened on Monday and Friday. Yes, you get me right, on Monday and on Friday. Now let me show you on Euro USD. On Euro USD, you can see it here. On Euro USD, this was on Monday. Monday took off previous Friday high. Monday took off this high, previous day high. This is Monday. This was on Monday, 18th of August. Took off the Friday high. All right. Okay, that is on Euro USD. On Euro USD, and on Gbpusd, this still 18th. Failed to take off what? Failed to take off the previous day high. What is that? An SMT. And there was an entry on London session. London open, there was an entry, and price boom dropped down to take off the previous week low. That was really massive, guy. Don't forget, we are just anticipating only 50 pips, and we had over 150 pips or so, right, for the week on GPUSD. That was massive, guys. And again on EU, you can see here, EU took off, did a liquidity run, right? Then we have failure swing on GU, right? And price dropped massively to do what? To take also the previous week low. Take off the previous week low. All right, that was also massive, more than 100 pips, more than 120 pips. But we are anticipating just so 50 pips. The Monday, Tuesday, we had our target hit for the week. And on Tuesday also gave another entry. On Wednesday gave entry. I think on gave Thursday also gave an entry. That's crazy, guys. Crazy, guys. All right, that is that for EU and GU. Now again, the second setup happens here. Yes, right, happens here on what they call now on Friday. On Friday, let's see 1 hour time frame on Friday, because one of them took off the previous day low. All right. Yes. On Friday setup. This is it. Friday setup. We have an SMT again here. I think we had 5 minutes entry setup. 5 minutes entry setup on EU. All right. So we still want to try to target 30 to 50 pips. All right. So that depends on how market opens. All right. On so we have here this time took off this high, right? As an SMT, and here You see we had a failure swing here. If you fail to take off this high, all right. So there's also 5 minutes and entry on GU, all right, probably to go down into 50 pips target. So it depends on how price market opens on Monday, right? So if it gaps up, we might be taking out, all right. But if the high is still intact, if market opens, definitely we have to anticipate that price should take hit us at our target, which is what, 50 pips. So that is just the two set up for the week, all right. So the question now is, what next for this coming week? What next? I would like you to come on board tomorrow by 4 p.m. GMT plus 1, as I'll be dropping a weekly analysis for the new coming trading week. All right, till then, I wish you good luck and a nice weekend rest to all of you. God bless you.